In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize table columns in Microsoft PowerPoint. Often, while preparing a presentation, we might find that the default column sizes in a table just don't quite fit the data we intend to present. Adjusting these columns can enhance your slide's visual aesthetics and data readability. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process to easily resize columns in your PowerPoint tables. First, you'll need to open the PowerPoint slide that contains the table you want to work on. Make sure the table is visible and ready for editing. Once your slide is open, go ahead and click anywhere inside the table. Clicking inside the table is a crucial step as it selects the table and readies the interface for you to make changes. You'll notice that after doing this, a new set of tools will appear in the menu bar at the top of your screen, tailored specifically for table editing. Next, you need to decide which column you're looking to resize. Move your mouse cursor over the border of the column you wish to adjust. Take your time with this. Accuracy ensures that you're resizing the correct one. You'll know you're in the right spot when your cursor changes from the standard pointer to a double-sided arrow. This arrow indicates that you're now in column resizing mode, allowing you to make adjustments. Once your cursor has transformed into that double-sided arrow, click and hold the mouse button down. Now, as you keep the button pressed, begin to drag the border of the column. You can drag it to the left if you want to make the column narrower, or drag it to the right if you intend to make it wider. This manual adjustment gives you the flexibility to tailor the column precisely to your slide's layout and data needs. When you've reached the perfect width for your column, simply release the mouse button. It may take a few tries to get it just right, but don't worry. It's perfectly normal to adjust a couple of times until you're satisfied with how the table looks. Once you let go, the column will stay in its new size, helping your table appear more organized and legible. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily resize table columns in PowerPoint to enhance the presentation of your data. Remember that making your slides visually appealing and easy to read is key in keeping your audience engaged. Feel free to practice this technique until you feel confident handling tables in your presentations. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting!